The Windows cannot access error code 0x80070043 typically occurs when you're trying to access a network location or shared folder but your system cannot reach it. This could be due to network issues, permission settings, or problems with the shared folder. Here are a few steps you can take to fix the error. 1. Check network connection. 1. Ensure that your computer is connected to the network and has access to the shared drive or folder. 1. Check for any internet or LAN issues. 2. Try accessing other network resources to confirm the issue isn't network-wide. 2. Check network sharing settings. 1. On the device you're trying to access, go to Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change Advanced Sharing Settings. 2. Ensure that network discovery and file and printer sharing are turned on. 3. Make sure that the public folder sharing settings are correct. 3. Check the folder permissions. 1. On the computer hosting the shared folder, make sure the folder has the correct sharing permissions. 1. Right-click the folder, select Properties, go to the Sharing tab, and ensure that the necessary permissions are granted. 2. If you're using credentials, ensure that the user account has the correct access rights. 4. Disable firewall or antivirus, temporarily. 1. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus software may block access to network resources. 1. Temporarily disable the firewall or antivirus software and check if the error is resolved. 1. If so, adjust the settings to allow the connection. 7. Check DNS settings. 1. Sometimes, incorrect DNS settings can cause network access issues. 1. Ensure that your DNS settings are set to obtain DNS server address automatically in the network and internet settings. 8. Update network drivers. 1. Outdated or corrupt network drivers could be causing the issue. 1. Go to Device Manager, Network Adapters, right-click your network adapter, and select Update Driver. 9. Check Windows Update. 1. Ensure that your Windows is up to date. 1. Sometimes, updates contain fixes for network-related issues.